Good morning, all of you. Let us solve this question from JEE 2019. So, in this question, he is telling us there is a radium nucleus which is at rest in its ground state. So, this is a radium nucleus and it is at rest right now in its ground state. This undergoes an alpha decay to a radon nucleus in its excited state. So, let us have a look at this. So initially it's in ground state, emits alpha particle, and this is an excited state. So it's vibrating here. I have represented the excited state by its vibration. Excited state does not mean that it is vibrating. To just signify excited state, I have used vibration here. He has also mentioned that the kinetic energy of the emitted alpha particle is 4.44 mega electron volt. So the kinetic energy of the alpha particle is 4.44 mega electron volt. The radon nucleus, which is in its excited state, goes to its ground state by gamma decay. So let us have a look at this. So this is the excited radon nucleus and it is going to its ground state. You see that it is not vibrating and it releases a gamma photon and it goes back to its ground state. The question is, what is the energy of this gamma photon? So what is the energy of this photon is the question asked. Let us have a look at the nuclear reactions. So this radium nucleus undergoes alpha decay, gives radon nucleus in its excited state and an alpha particle. This radon nucleus in its excited state undergoes a gamma decay to give radon nucleus in ground state plus a gamma photon. When this radium nucleus undergoes alpha decay, there is a mass defect which is occurring here. From the values we can say the mass of the reactants is more than the mass of the products. So this mass defect is converted to energy. The energy released is E equals to delta M into C square. So the energy released in this reaction is E equals to delta M, which is mass defect, into C square. The energy which is released in this mass defect goes into the kinetic energy of the alpha particle plus the kinetic energy of the radon nucleus. Also, a part of this energy is used by the radon nucleus to go to an excited state. So the energy released due to mass defect goes into the energy of the alpha particle plus the energy of the radon nucleus plus the excitation energy of the radon nucleus. Now this excitation energy of the radon nucleus is converted to a gamma photon. We can see here that the radon nucleus is in its excited state. It is getting converted to radon in its ground state plus a gamma photon. So we can say that the excitation energy of the radon nucleus is same as the energy of the gamma photon emitted. The energy released due to mass defect equals to the kinetic energy of the alpha particle plus kinetic energy of the radon nucleus plus the energy of the gamma photon. So the energy released equals to kinetic energy of alpha particle plus kinetic energy of radon nucleus plus energy of the gamma photon. He has given us the kinetic energy of the alpha particle. If we calculate the kinetic energy of radon nucleus and delta mc square, we can get the energy of the photon. So delta mc square is mass of reactants minus mass of products into c square. So the reactants are radium and the products are radon and alpha particle. The mass of radium is 226.005, mass of radon is given as 222 and mass of alpha particle is given as 4. So that is 0.005 into c square. So 1 unit of this mass defect corresponds to 931 mega electron volt by c square. So we are just writing this here. So we get the value of energy due to mass defect as 4.655 mega electron volt. Now we need to find the kinetic energy of the radon nucleus. The radium nucleus initially is at rest and it breaks down into radon nucleus and alpha particle. As there are no external forces on this system, the momentum of this system is conserved. The momentum of radium nucleus equals to the sum of momentum of alpha particle and radon nucleus. So the momentum of radium nucleus equals to the momentum of radon plus the momentum of alpha particle. As the radium nucleus is at rest, its momentum is 0. So momentum of radon nucleus plus alpha particle equals to 0. So we can say the magnitude of momentum of radon nucleus equals the magnitude of momentum of alpha particle. The formula for momentum is root 2 m into Ke. So root 2 times mass of radon into kinetic energy of radon equals to root 2 times mass of alpha particle into kinetic energy of alpha particle. We are cancelling out the 2 and root in these both sides. We get mass of radon into kinetic energy of radon equals to mass of alpha particle into kinetic energy of alpha particle. We need to find the kinetic energy of radon. So we just take this term this side and we get this expression. Now we will put the values in this expression and find out what is the kinetic energy of the radon nucleus. The given values are mass of alpha particle is 4u, mass of radon is 222u and kinetic energy of the alpha particle is given as 4.44 mega electron volt. So if we calculate, we get the kinetic energy of radon nucleus as 0.008 mega electron volt. So going back to our original equation, that is energy due to mass defect equals to kinetic energy of alpha particle plus kinetic energy of radon nucleus plus energy of the gamma photon. We have calculated delta mc square as 4.655 mega electron volts. Kinetic energy of alpha particle is 4.44 mega electron volts and kinetic energy of radon nucleus as 0.008 mega electron volt. We will put these values in this equation. If we put our values in this expression, we get the energy of gamma photon as 0.135 mega electron volt. In the exam, it was asked to give in terms of kilo electron volt. So it is nothing but 135 kilo electron volt. Let us have a look at the schematic once again. So initially alpha particle is being released and then this excited radon nucleus goes to its ground state by releasing a gamma photon. So initially an alpha particle is being released and the radon nucleus goes to its ground state by emission of a gamma photon.